everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about Instagram. Instagram is rolling out new features and updates like crazy. Sometimes as creators, it is really hard to keep track of all these new features and updates, but we have to. Instagram is becoming a whole new different platform to compete with TikTok. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about the most important Instagram updates that you might have missed but are worth noting down. One of the recent Instagram update is Reel templates. We all know that in the past years, Instagram has been a photo sharing app, but not anymore. Instagram has already claimed themselves that their platform is no longer a photo sharing app. Instagram always try to encourage all the creators to create more reels. As a result, they always update these reels with new features. These Reel templates are one such new feature. With the use of all these Reel templates, creators can create more fun, more engaging, professional-looking reels within minutes. To use this feature, go to the Reels tab and click on the camera icon on the top right corner and browse through the templates. Choose the one you like and the new features will automatically adjust unchosen audio and trim the length of the video to suit the template. Do you know what is the best thing about this new feature? Once you create an Instagram reel with more than 3 clips, Instagram itself consider it as an Instagram template. Now go ahead and create more creative, fun, engaging reels with one click. Then the second update is Instagram Reels Bonus Play. Instagram has announced a new bonus program called Reels Play to reward creators who make more engaging and fun reels. This is a great way for creators to monetize their reels and earn an extra income. But now right at the moment, this bonus play program is only eligible for certain creators who fit into a certain criteria. Those are: live in the US, have less than 1 million followers, have an Instagram professional account, whether a creator account or a business account, follow Instagram partners' monetization policies. Let's all hope that Instagram will expand this bonus program worldwide, not only in US. If you are eligible for this program, you will get a notification in the professional dashboard of your Instagram profile, and then you can accept it and follow the guidelines to set it up. Then the third update is new Instagram map update. Instagram is making improvements to their map. A recent study shows that Gen Zs are more likely to search new places through Instagram rather than Google Maps. Instagram has taken this as an opportunity and they are upgrading their maps, and the recent updates give an option to search local business around an area. To use the new Instagram search map, simply search for a city or a nearby location. Once you are on the map, zoom out and click Search this area. The search results will bring local businesses categorized by their industry or type. You can click on hotels, cafes, and more. We believe that this is just the beginning of Instagram Maps. You will see new features in the near future. Then the fourth Instagram update is related with Instagram Reels, auto-generated captions for Reels. Once you upload a reel to the platform, these auto-generated captions will automatically turn on. With this new feature, Instagram is making the process of captioning their content more seamless for creators, and it will make the platform more accessible for the community who is with hearing difficulties. And do you know more than half of the viewers watch these Instagram videos and reels with sound off? Now you know the importance of captions. So those are the most important, most recent Instagram updates. So I hope this video will help you to create more engaging content in Instagram platform. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribing. Let's meet with another video. Have a wonderful week ahead.